So Charlie's saying that there's, if we go the other way, from where we started, there's like a spillway where like big fish meet up.
Yeah.
And usually that means a lot of like,
Or it's like where this creek intersects with another one. It's like a T.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I see those chubs. I'm gonna go. Wait.
They're attacking. Got one. No! Alright, I know this guy works now. Oh my god, that was so annoying.
Got one. Let's go. This is the spot. Wait, is this a chubby? First chub.
you want to get the release on it? Here.
Oh wait, wait. I want to eat this. Or it's way too small, right?
Releasing mine.
All right. Yeah. Guys, we got 2 chubs already.
Wait, your buddy gonna eat what?
Here goes.
All right. Wait, is this too small to eat? What do you think?
You need a lot.
I'll get a
like
lot. It, first cast, so I think it's fine.
Ben told me that was actually a rap song, and I didn't realize it until yesterday. It was just a little TikTok.
You know what? This might be a long.
You know what that is?
TikTok? I know TikTok.
Yeah, you know.
Nah. Guys, this is gonna be so swag. This is fun. Same. Oh, big sunfish. Oh wait, that is.
Did he eat it?
No. Let's go! Look at the size on that bugger.
Oh my god.
Is this a pumpkin seed?
Camera cannot see that. Put it down a little bit. Yeah.
Pumpkin seed, boys. All right. Oh,
Let's go.
let's go.
Alright, where are the worms at? I need to get in here.
Oh, they're over here. Help yourself. Oh, don't use a whole worm. Use like a third. All right, boys. Second fish for me. Going in the. It's in the boat, boys.
Oh, that's the coolest sunfish ever. You gotta post on Fish Break.
I will. This is the biggest pumpkin.
Spreading his cheeks first.
Oh, fuck. Man. Really? Eats babies. Ow. It is completely.
You could lip that guy. Can I try and lip him?
Yeah, after me.
Alright. That's such a big mouth.
Hell yeah.
Wait, show that to the camera. Like the open. Alright, let me.
All right, boy.
hold
Wait,
on,
I'm taking.
actually.
Can you get a picture?
Yeah, hold on.
All right, boys. We're having a feast. Oh, he's like licking me. He has sharp teeth. It's kind of hurting. Griffin, I gotta kill him soon. I don't want him. I don't want his organs to fail.
Make like a normal face though.
All right. Do you want to lip him?
Yeah. Dude, that's one of the biggest sunfish ever. This is bigger than the one you caught at Falls Mead.
No, it's not.
Something about him. I think it's his mouth is a bit bigger.
His mouth's big. Yeah. All right. Wait. Just hold that.
You don't want to. Here.
Wait. No. You got. Can you?
Wait, let's just do it.
Nice. Oh, what the? Oh wait. I'm getting to the camera. Hold that, Griffin. Wait. Can I see the size of that bad boy?
They get bigger.
Really?
Yep.
I don't have any experience. I don't have experience with creek chub. Guys, look at this. That's a good. I mean, and to me, that's a good size.
Yeah.
Damn. It's fine. It's fine. Wait. Wait, really quick. We gotta cut open his gills and then wash them off.
Alright, wait, let me wash him off first.
Yeah. Can you slice his?
Or what I did with Harrison is I took the GoPro, I put it in the water,
Oh,
just
really?
time-lapsed it.
I'll do that later. This is like a feeding frenzy right now. All right.
Oh. Wow.
Is that a
That's
good?
massive.
Let's go.
Big freaking.
All right, guys.
Oh my god, it's a huge
Creek chub number 2. Good size. Josh, bread.
So
Josh.
that's your fifth, or no, your fourth.
Like, No, my second creek chub. Third fish. Wait, Josh.
They come right on my leg.
Wait, Josh, take the bread.
Oh, they're gonna come right next to my
Wait, Josh, take the bread. I gotta deal with this fish. Thanks. All right, boys. Third fish of the day, second chub of the day. About the. Ooh, look at those lips. I bet I could lip that. Bit. Still have my whoa, he's a squirmy bugger. Alright, guys. Would you mind get a picture of this?
Yeah.
Or somebody who's not busy. Or no, you just bring more. Actually, chub number 2, boys. Alright, look away, my viewers. Oh no, he hasn't gone anywhere. He stays home. Yeah. Stole my worm. Alright, yeah, this is a good.
You're cooking them, or you're cooking at home.
Yeah, I'm cooking at home. This is a successful
Get
fishing
one of
day.
those portable stove things.
I have one.
You do.
Yeah, from camping. I found it in my garage. Yeah, but I'm not allowed to like use it. Alright. Wait, Griffin, what do you do with your fish? How you taking them home? Do you bring a cooler? Alright. What do you do with that sunfish you got? Oh, nice chub.
Oh,
It's always fun to eat fish. Yeah, my fish. Got one. Doubled up, boys. Little pumpkin seed? Not gonna lie to you. Alright, I'm live baiting
no,
this.
that's green sun.
Oh, really? Huh. I don't know if I've ever caught one of those. Alright, live baiting it, boys.
Fish? Oh, he's
Kidding.
tinier than a Sunday morning.
Let's compare.
Oh, it's a creek tail.
Let's compare. We should save these little ones and make chub stew. Nice. Chub stew. Just throw them in their hole and just stew them. Oh.
There's a few bigger ones.
Alright. What this is, fool? Green
I gotta play
sunfish.
with this guy for a minute.
What do you mean? We should have a play date with all our fish.
Yeah, everyone catch one.
I have one right now.
Let him-
Oh no.
Oh,
I gilled him.
Wait, guys,
What'd it do?
can I get into this nice
Fuck!
little pocket here?
He dropped him. You are in this nice little pocket.
Well, but you're like.
That's because it was my idea. Fine, I'll move down a little. Oh, I'm getting right there. I'm sorry, we got here first. That's how it works, bud. And we made room for you, bud. Buddy Holly.
Got a nice guy. Oh, never mind. It's a creek to. Oh my god.
I haven't caught a creek chub in a while.
Was your last one that really big one that you kept?
Yeah, the 7-incher. The 8-pounder. 8-pound chub.
They're so squirmy.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you know what? I'm moving spots.
Alright, I will too after. Alright, yeah, I'll go.
I just want bigger.
Same. Nice. Is my creek chub still on the leash? Alright. What if like a bat? What if I got back in a bass and like eating the creek chub and then I just had a bass? That'd be kind of fresh. Alright, boys. Here's a knife. Thanks. Taking off my hat. It's too hot. Just chilling. Nowhere to go, buddy. Thank you. Alright. Let's do this thingy. Hell yeah!
Oh my god, that guy's huge!
What?
I saw a map.
Charlie, can we cooler this bad boy?
Cooler?
Yeah.
Alright, wait, I see a massive sunfish. Chub! Look at that size. That's a good one. Alright, guys, got a keeper. Let's see Griffin's keeper. I will keep it for you. I will keep it. Alright, get that in the camera shot. Is that a green?
Yeah.
Alright, let's compare sizes. Ooh, better look next time. Oh yeah, you can put it in the... Wait, how are you gonna differentiate your fish from my fish? Or give a bag?
Yeah, but I.
Got a little sunfish. Tiny bugger, isn't he? Little tyke.
Oh, nice. Josh's was super long for some reason.
Yeah, he saw it. Oh,
He spawned out.
yeah. Oh, fuck.
Their
Fuck
spawning
shit.
season 3 was just ended.
Oh.
no freaking way. How did I get the fish that tiny? That's not even a chub.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, it is a chub, isn't it? Or is it a minnow?
It's a flathead minnow.
Wait, put him inside of here. Let's...
What the fuck? Oh, no. I wanted to do that.
Oh, sorry. I thought... I'll catch another one. We'll catch another one.
No.
You want to save that?
Yeah.
All right, save that little one. and
Wait,
we'll-
no, I'm gonna live bait this guy.
All right, cool. Oh yeah, that's definitely small enough. Yeah, we can feed it.
Putting up blood.
Oh. Are you gonna want to come back here, this spot?
Oh crap! No, I can't just do that.
No, I mean like another time after we fish. Ooh, is that a keep? No, it's not a keeper. Is it? Definitely not. No, that's literally like not even a bite. Do you want to feed it? Do you want to feed it to this guy? Like as long as it's moving water, for the most part, like yeah.
Not like we can.
I'm gonna have to get me a pair of those bad, but all the cheapest ones I find online are like $45 up in this here. All right, guys, we're gonna have to sign off. Successful day fishing. Thank you for watching the video.
Peace out.
Peace out.